Good morning everyone. I am Arav Mahajan.
I am Akriti Sharma
and I am Diksha.
We are here to present our project under the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat. Have you ever wondered why crops sometimes fail even when farmers do everything right?
The secret lies just beneath our feet in the soil.
Exactly, just like humans need a health checkup, our soil also need a regular checkup to stay healthy, and that's why we created Soil Smart, the intelligent soil testing system.
Our project helps farmers and gardeners to understand their soil better through easy and quick testing methods.
It begins with an opening page where we can select various tests like nitrate, phosphorus, magnesium and calcium.
Once you select a test, the next page shows the procedure clearly step by step, so anyone can follow it easily.
After performing the test, our project displays the result using simple MCQ options to make it user-friendly.
If the soil result isn't great, Soil Smart immediately shows the effect of that problem with real pictures of what happens to crop.
But if the soil is healthy, the system congratulates you and shares some maintenance tips to keep your soil productive and stronger.
Now what makes Soil Smart really special is that it doesn't just stop at testing, it also guides improvement.
It suggests practical solutions like reliable fertilizers or eco-friendly market products that can help fix the problem.
That means farmer can make smart decisions based on real data, saving time, money and protecting the environment at the same time.
Our mission is simple, to make farming smarter and sustainable.
To help farmers grow their healthier crops while protecting our planet's most valuable resource, soil.
With Soil Smart, we are not just testing the soil, we are nourishing the greener, stronger future.
We are Team Soil Smart,
turning science into sustainability.
Thank you.